Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at the Cave of the Mounds with my buddy Wayside Wade.
How are we doing today? A little breezy.
It's a little bit windy out.
Good to see you, Brian.
Daily 9 to 5. This is a really pretty park. Wow.
Here we go.
So they discovered this cave in 1939, blasting for a highway. And it kind of scared them a little bit. They didn't know what would be down here.
That's one idea. Of course, one of the stroke happened in town years ago. Same kind of light. Anything else you folks are wondering about?
So here's some actual fossils. That's pretty neat. And I'm not sure. Oh, ooh, look at this. Looks like eggs. I wonder if there's dinosaurs down here. Some tight squeeze. Oh wow, you can hear the got a duck in that one spot. Whoa. Now would be a bad time for them to turn the lights out. It's a little small in here. It's amazing how different every cave is. This cave looks totally different than the last one. It's pretty cool. This one says it's fragile. Okay, I'll stay on the trail. What do we got going on down there? Nope, nothing. I like the way they do their lighting. Looks like there's tin foil around it. It's probably not actually tin foil, but we found some more water. See it back in the corner there, coming down. We're not supposed to explore that area. They're not kidding. This really is a short tour. A small cave. Did we lose Wayside? I think we lost him. There he is.
I haven't showered since 2020.
Oh. Wait. I might be wrong. Is there more? Limestone cave. Huh. Nice. Looks like a mudslide. All right. Oh, look. Is that a light switch? That's pretty cool.
There's another metal here called manganese that rusts and then turns black and gray.
Looks like caramel. This is a really busy cave. Apparently, there's animals in this cave. There's apparently a little fish of some sort in here, but can't find it. Oh, here we go.
And what's special about crinoids is they're really rare to find actually, because of the fact that when they would die, they would kind of,
Those white specks.
yeah, they're about the size of a grain of salt. Those are springs. There's one of them right here. You can kind of see it.
Well, they're small.
Yeah, do you see them?
Yeah, I see the white specks.
Yeah. And they feed off of the bacteria in the water.
Oh, that's cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
I stand corrected. There's a lot more cave left. I think we might be at the cool part.
Yeah, no problem.
You know what that kind of looks like? I'll let you decide. Do you have a runny nose? Says we should take a closer look. Nope, that's a cave formation, not a path. Although, kind of looks like one. This is the path. It's getting kind of skinny back here. I'm almost too wide. I don't know what that is, but it's interesting. Some more water. Ooh, behind me. Cool. I think I squeezed through a skinny spot there. I want to demonstrate how skinny it is.
Here's Brian.
I think I gotta go sideways. Oh, looks like these broke. Whoa, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, I will see it in one bush.
Huh, pretty neat. Some really interesting formations. Oh, that's pretty neat. Look at this. It's an infinity room. Except it's real. That is cool. Whoa. Is that the emergency exit?
Could be a tremor.
Oh no. They're not standing there very long. There's no surprises, I don't think. Unless there's a Yeti.
Even though it's tight in spots, it's a fairly safe tour. See? Told you.
We gotta find the exit.
No, I don't want you to be closest.
This is the gardens. Let's go look around. That's not the direction I wanted to go.
So I don't know if they want us walking on the grass.
Oh. It looks like there's some dinosaurs. Raptors. Okay. So apparently they're going to lock the gate on us, so we have to hustle. But we were curious where that bridge went.
Yep. Gotta check out the bridge. You never know.
They should allow people to walk the grounds after hours, because 5 o'clock's early. I mean, still got daylight.
You never know. You never know where the bridge might lead. You never know.
I think we're going up the hill here. A little picnic area up here. And I think this might actually go back to the parking lot.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Figured either that or Walmart.
Yep. Well, we're not the last car here. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. That was a pretty cool cave. What'd you think, Wade?
I thought it was great. I did have some flashbacks of my childhood, but I'm mostly over those things. I enjoyed the tour and I recommend it for anyone who likes natural caves,
All right.
as long as you're not claustrophobic.
Yeah, it was a little tight in spots.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.